Hey guys, PuppyQuen here. I don't usually make videos this late at night, so I gotta late start doing it because I went swimming today. I didn't have time to do it, just about to, and I went swimming, so yeah. So it just currently, hold on, let me check to see what time it is. It is 10:52, almost 1 o'clock, and yeah. So I have makeup on, yes. Don't ask why, please don't. Please don't in the comments. Please don't ask why I have makeup on. It's disturbing. I know I have bad lighting in here, so, let's see. Okay, let's go in the kitchen. It's a mess in here. See, look at that. It's a mess. I got this. My Nana gave it to me. It was like only like made one of them, and I'm trying to get money for it because of the house. Yeah. Good question. That's one here. Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Let's see here.
No, please don't take.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just gonna go over here. And I also I'm not making a YouTube video. Okay. Okay, I am. I'm gonna show my little tip. Hold on, guys. I get the box. No, you know what? Let me just take the box right here. Hold on.
You make the movie.
No, I am not making a movie. I am not making a movie. Oh no. I delete. I don't. Oh, God, help my finger. I do delete the videos off my phone, but they don't delete off of YouTube. So I have more space in my phone to make more videos and that. So my papa got me this Lego set. Got me this Lego set. It was only like 70. Hello. Let me finish your kitty. Look at the camera. No, look at the camera. No, Pussy, no. Look at the camera. Okay, that's you. So yeah, I got this Lego set almost like $70, but it was like 59% off, so I got that. And the characters that come with it is Stephanie, James, and I can't remember, but this is like Stephanie's parents, and I got it built already. It is like awesome. It's in my bedroom. Stop it. And there's Stephanie, and I got another. Stop it! It's gonna wreck this. And I got another playset. It's the gym, and Mia's in it. And I think, yeah, I got one playset, and I broke it apart. It had Stephanie and her. I lost her, but I got her hair. Yeah, so it's like really cool. It even has a vacuum cleaner. Wow. And it even has, I know they're in the way, but this is a mailbox and some little bunny and all that stuff. I'll show you in my bedroom. Okay, hey, Pussy, how are you? Okay, so yeah, we're going to head into my bedroom. Actually, I have a sign that says keep out, nothing, like, nobody allowed, so. Okay, so here's the sign that I made. It says do not open. No boys or girls allowed. Thank you. I'm the only one that's allowed in there. Not even my parents are allowed. Hey, Bugsy, come in. Oh, here it is, my stuff. And this is my pixie dust that my dad gave me. Also, when I was there, they let me buy this. That was for $10. It's a bell. It was for $10. Let me buy that as well as this. Hold on. Whoops. That's this Lego set. I got this Lego set too. So it's really cool. I have my Lego characters in a bag, all of them. So this is oops, the inside of the house. part 2 of the Lego movie. It's going to be about this and try to figure out it as well. See, like, here's, like, the stairs. And, like, behind is, like, where the back can go. What I thought about was, like, there's, like, ice cream comes with the set. And you, like, sneak ice cream and just sit behind the stairs. And this is, like, the heating room, the bathroom, Stephanie's bedroom. It only came with 1 bedroom. And I guess the parents just going to have to sleep on the couch, the front door, the living room, the kitchen. And, yeah, that's it. That was my little gym over there that I showed you in the first part of my movie. Oops, I accidentally got that. Actually, I broke it. Wow. Don't worry, I can fix it. Oops. There we go. So I'm gonna put that right there. Oops, I just sprinkle that. I need some more dust. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm just gonna set that right here for a minute. You won't be seeing what I'm doing now. Just a little bit. Okay. There. Okay. I have a lot of pixie dust that I like to have. It says pixie dust. Okay. It's from Disney. My dad got it for me. And wait, this is the thing. Hold on. Okay, I can't do it. Oh, there goes that. What are you doing here, Patsy? You're not supposed to be in here. Okay, so yeah. So I guess I'm just if you like this video and subscribe, I will do a house tour of the whole house. And when I get home, I'll do a house tour there for part 2 of it. So subscribe and like and leave a comment. So yeah. So I'm just gonna show you my bedroom right now, but I'm not gonna tell about it. So, but here's like all my stuff, and there's the dog and stuff. And I also have those up there. Those are very valuable. And I have like I got that Elsa clock and all the Elsa stuff for my birthday. And I got okay. I'm getting out of here. No. Okay. Going here. And I want you guys to look at my beautiful grandmother's hair that I done. Like, look at me. Get off her Facebook now. And she already had her highlighter to her hair, and I like did that and did that to her hair to make it poofy, and yeah. And I also got like school supplies as well. This is my book bag. I've been looking for this last year, but I didn't get it. It was actually different, but I found this one at Kohl's, so yeah. What? I want to. Nah. So actually, in my shop, I'm gonna show you inside of it. Sorry. So yeah, this is inside of it. I got some sticky notes to tell them what I need. Hold on. I really need to. Hold on 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. See, this is like the inside of it. I also got this book that does this. I'm very happy with it. It's like when you turn like the one side, it turns green. When you turn like the other side, it's like bluish purple. Like if I go to the other side, it's like purple. So yeah. And I also have some sticky notes right here. It says, "Make the dog happy, get more money, make more cloth for money, because the money is for the house." Also some here, the extra ones. And these are the cloths that I have. Dark blue, a snowman, light blue. In between the light blue and dark blue, it's like a middle-ish color, a white, and a self white. And this is the one I'm working on for my grandmother. She would just, yeah, so it's free. She can get it for free, but it's her decide if she wants to pay or not. And I really need to block this. I'll check it out. Okay, there's my other side. So let's get out. I'm gonna put you guys right. I'm gonna put you guys right there. And I'll be out in a minute. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. Nope. Okay. Sorry about that. It's already 10 minutes long of this thing. So like here's my son just no refunds. Nope. Okay, so this is already like 10 minutes long, so I'm just gonna stop the video right here. So like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and I love you guys. Bye. Why? No. I should